Want to see what I've been sewing for January 2025? Hi, my name is Catherine. Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share with you my January makes for 2025. If this is something that you are interested in, you are in the right place. Okay, this is my make, and well, number one and number two. And this is just a basic top that I would have drafted along with a skirt. The skirt is there's 2 panels in the front, 2 panels in the back, and a side panel on either side. This top took me about 30 minutes to make, and the skirt took about 40 minutes, between 40 minutes and 45 minutes, because I had to play around with the fabric because I didn't have sufficient fabric, so I had to strategically cut so that I would have sufficient to fit me. And this is the front and this is the back. So that's our first 2 makes. Let's go on to the second. Okay, let's move on to my other 3 makes. For the jacket, I used New Look 6735 and I made view A. And here are the line drawings. And for the top and the skirt, I used McCall's M73381. And here are the line drawings. And this is how the 3 of them look together. This cardigan, it didn't originally come with pockets, so I added pockets because I'm a pocket girly. This is the belt that came with it, so you can just tie it like this. You can just tie it like that. Okay, so that's the front and that's the back. Now also, it didn't come with the carriers for the cardigan. I added those just so my belt don't move all around the place. So I'm gonna take this off so that you can see the top and the bottom. Now the jacket, I don't know if I said this earlier, the jacket took me about 3 hours to make. The top, and this is the bottom, and this is how it looks from the back. This top took me about maybe 30-35 minutes. It's a simple top with a neckband, and the directions were pretty easy to follow. I feel like this is beginner friendly, so a beginner can do this quite easily, wouldn't have any issues. The skirt, I want to make sure I don't flash you guys. The skirt has a band to the top. Now originally this skirt didn't come with this bottom band. This skirt stopped like right here above my knee. Because I wanted it to be a bit longer, I added a band to the bottom, so to give me an extra bit of length. So again, those 3 looks came from, this is the skirt and the top, and it's McCall's 7331, and that's B and C for the skirt and the top. And then the cardigan to go along was New Look 6735, and that's view A. Okay, let's move on to the other set of makes. This is New Look 6735, and I made view E. The skirt right there, I made that view. Let's look at the line drawings. This skirt has 3 panels in the front and 3 panels in the back. So this is also the top that I would have shown you earlier. This is the top that I would have self-drafted, just a simple basic top. Now this skirt took me about 40 minutes to make, and the reason that is because I had to make adjustments. Now originally I cut a size 14 and it was too big. I don't like things tight, but I don't like things so loose that it look like it's not my size. I'm wearing somebody else's clothes. That's not my aim, because when you sew things for yourself, you are able to control the way things fit you. So this is the front and this is the back. Now when I make this again, I will definitely cut the size 12 because I had to take off a 1/2 inch of each one of the, I guess, the panels where they attach. I had to take off a 1/2 inch of each one of those. I want you to keep that in mind as a tip. Keep that in mind. Look at the ease the pattern has, and that should help you dictate or determine what size that you're going to cut. When I make this again, I will definitely cut a size 12 because all the adjustments that I would have made would have lent its way to the fit that I currently have. So that is just something that you need to keep in mind. And this is something that a beginner can make this because it's easy. For this top, I just used one of my previous tops, and I just used this as a pattern to create this. So let's move on to the next make. Okay, so for this make that I am currently wearing, that's New Look 6482, and here are the line drawings. Of course, I made dress A, and this is the dress in all its glory. I love this dress. I hope that this fabric doesn't wash me out. Sometimes I feel like when you wear a color that is close to your skin tone or in some range of the colors close to your skin tone, that it kind of washes you out. I hope that's not what's happening here. Okay, so this is the front. It has these panels right here on both sides, and that just gives it a little extra something. And in the front, it has this asymmetrical right here, and in the back, let's look at the back so that you can see it. It's somewhere down here. And this dress was fairly simple to make. It took me about maybe 40 minutes. Since I read the instructions and I got started, I did that. Now this dress will show all of your lumps and your bumps. So if you are conscious of that, then I guess you would make it a little bit bigger. But I don't really have a problem with nothing a good shapewear can't fix. I don't have a shapewear on, so you could see all the little nooks and crannies of my little belly and whatever is there. But a beginner can do this make. It's not a hard make, and it has this neckband, and there's nothing difficult about this dress at all. I can't say anything. This is a very beginner friendly dress, and a beginner can do this. I'm a person who can sew, so it's fairly easy to me, but I can't take for granted that some persons this may be a challenge for, but overall this is a very easy dress to put together. Okay, so let's move on to my final 3 makes. Okay, so for this make, this is Butterick 6859, and I made the dress, which is view A. So I made view A, and here are the line drawings. Dress is a raglan type dress, raglan sleeve. This dress, I think I made a size, was it a size 14? Might have been a 14 or 12. Might have been a 14. Now with this dress came together fairly quickly. This dress took me about maybe 45 minutes, 50 minutes, and that's only because of the gathers right here for the front and the back with the sleeves. So it took me about maybe 45-50 minutes, somewhere around there. I love this dress. I love the print that I chose for this dress because it's that nature botanical type theme, which I love. And the dress has splits on either side. So this is the front of the dress, and this is the back of the dress. Only thing I don't like about this dress is the back. It's a little, how I could put it, it's a little loose in the back, and I'm going to show you that. I just don't want to be talking with my back turned. So it's a little loose in the back, and I don't really like that. So I'm going to show that to you right now, and that's probably because I should have gone down a size, because even though it's a stretchy fabric, it's quite loose. So I could have went down a size. So if I did a 14, I should have done a 12. And if I did a 12, I should have done a 10. So I'll have to double check what size I made because I'm not sure. But I'll show you the back right now with the gaping. Is it gaping? But you'll see what I mean. This is right here. You see all of this? I don't really like that. And again, that could be because the dress, I made the dress a little too big. I went with the size that was recommended. But again, this fabric is quite stretchy. So I could have gotten away with going down maybe even 2 sizes. But mind you, I'll still wear the dress because my love and time went into this dress. So I'm still going to wear this dress. Okay, so let's move on to the final 2 makes. Okay, feeling myself. I'm feeling myself, feeling myself. This make is 6859. This is a Butterick. And I made the one that the model is wearing. I made that. And here are the line drawings. Those are the line drawings. Now, I love this make. Not that I don't like the rest of them. But I love this make. And I don't know if gray is my color. But you all tell me. Tell me down in the comments. Do you think gray is my color? Okay, so this particular make. This is a... What type of fabric is this again? Okay. This is a French terry fabric. And this is this make was quite easy to put together. This came together rather quickly, and I appreciated that. It didn't take me that long. I think maybe 30 minutes for the bottom and about 45 minutes for the top, and that's only because of the gathering that you have to do for the raglan sleeve. And this is the front. Let me turn around. And this is the back. Now, I love this make. Again, I do love all the rest of my makes because I put my time, I put my love, and I put my pain, sweat, blood, and tears into all of my makes. So that brings us to the end of the video. I would have shared 10 makes with you. Those are all the pieces that I did for January. So 10 isn't so bad considering that I started maybe the 3rd week in January. Yes, I think the 3rd week in January I did these particular makes. So it took me about 2 weeks to make these pieces or to finish these pieces. And keep in mind, I am a teacher, so I don't get home until, well, teaching ends at 3, and so I don't get home until sometime in the afternoon, about an hour or 2 after that I get home. So that leaves just a little time for me to try and sew these makes for you. But I love you and I appreciate you so much that I don't mind sharing my talent that God has given me, that God has blessed me with. I don't mind sharing it with you. Just tell me in the comments which pieces were your favorites, and let me know if you would like a sew along for any of these particular pieces that I would have made today. I can make that happen for you. So if you like what you see on my channel, continue to like, comment, and share. And please subscribe to my channel if you are not, haven't done so already. It's free. It doesn't cost you a thing to subscribe to my channel. Help your girl out. Help my channel grow. And spread my channel with family and friends. I would really appreciate it because I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. And I can only do that with your help and with your support. So I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Be blessed.